Hi, good afternoon. Today, welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna make some squash curry with chicken. All right. I know I didn't do a video for a while. I'm busy with family members getting married and stuff. All right. So today we're making some squash curry with chicken, and I had roti later on. What I make, we're gonna make some masala roti to go with the squash curry. But this video is for the squash curry and the chicken. I can already make a video with roti already. I'm not sure you guys how to make the roti. Okay, you guys know, should watch the video. Okay. And today this is all the ingredients that we have for the squash. We have two small squash. We have chicken. We have tomato. We have the whole pepper. We have half a onion. 6 flags of garlic. Here I have turmeric, half a teaspoon. Masala, half a teaspoon. Jeera, half a teaspoon. And I have some Cajun season, half a teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of curry powder. And green season, a small little bit. And a chicken cube. Okay? And that's all the ingredients. I have the pot right here. I'm gonna start. Alright, I don't want to make this video too long. I'm gonna stop it and let me show you the rest. Now we're gonna start the video. This is the oil. We put a little bit of oil in the pan. We're gonna throw in the tomato. Spices. This is all the spices. Put a little bit of salt. Alright. Remember, Cajun season have a salt, chicken cube have salt. If you need to adjust the salt, you can put it later on. I'm going to put in the chicken. I'm gonna let this bonjour and then I'll come back and show you the rest, okay? I'm gonna add the squash and this bonjour. This is gonna lose some water and let it cook down with a nice curry flavor and bonjour with that, and then I'm gonna add the squash, okay? That's the cooking. That's cooking on no squash here. I'm just showing you where I lay bonjour, okay? That is bonjour cooked. Bonjour with the curry. I'm gonna add the squash. Add the squash. Still on the table, okay? Don't put it in yet. I'll just cook first. Alright. I'm gonna add in the squash. Add the squash. Cook it for like 10 minutes, and then you add the squash. Okay. I have water in here. The chicken loses all water. If it gets right on, you can always add the water. I don't know what I'm gonna add water. I have enough liquid in here. Now let's cook for about 10-15 minutes or 20 minutes. Alright, and come back and show you the next step when it's done cook, okay? Really cook for like 10-15 minutes when you see the squash start to melt, okay? That's when you know it's finished. Show you guys a little more. Alright, I'm gonna come back and show you, okay? This is halfway. This is halfway almost. See? It's almost ready. And let it cook down a little more, and then it should be okay. The squash is already melting up already. See? See the squash? Yeah, it's melting already. Okay, guys. Yeah, like for 10 minutes, 5 more minutes. I'm gonna show you, okay? Alright guys, this is the finishing touch. I'm gonna take it off a little loose. We have roti. We eat it with the liquid. Okay, the kids them. I'm not gonna dry it down too much, but it's up to your preference. If you want it more dry, you can cook it more dry, okay? My preference, I don't cook it too dry. You can eat it with the roti. Gonna make some roti later, okay guys? And thank you for watching my video. I'll see you guys, alright? In the next video. Thank you so much.